Hello children, let me welcome you to the virtual class of the Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. My name is Shraddha teacher. Children, we are in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic and because of that we are not able to go to school, but that doesn't mean we are going to stop learning. So we are going to do many lessons which are very interesting from your textbook through the virtual class here. So let us do a lesson in English today. So children, the lesson that we are going to learn today is a lesson in standard second and subject, like I just told you, is English. And now what is the name of the lesson, children? The name of the lesson is Five Little Seeds. It is a beautiful poem from your English textbook. So here you can see 3 seeds only, but actually in this poem we have 5 little seeds. Okay, and we are going to talk about how these seeds grow up and how some of them become flowers and some of them do not become flowers. Then if they do not become flowers, what do they become? That we will see when we are doing the lesson now. Okay, so come on, let's start with the lesson 5 little seeds. Now in the beginning, children, I will read the poem for you at a little speed. Okay, a little fast I will try to read the poem, but that doesn't mean I'm going to read the poem fast and not explain it to you. So after reading the poem once, we will take each line of the poem and then see it along with beautiful images. Okay, so I'm going to mark the line which I'm going to read. So what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to open your English textbook, and just like I'm marking here on the screen, you should place your finger on the line which I am reading. And you can also read the line along with me. Alright, so are you ready? Come on, let's start by reading this poem, Five Little Seeds. So, 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds, 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. So what are weeds, children? Weeds are unwanted plants. Okay, plants which have no use. So they just grow in the garden and then we have to pluck them out or we have to cut them off. Okay, once again, let's read the first 4 lines. So you have 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. So totally, how many seeds are there? There are 5 seeds out of the 5. 3 will become flowers, and you know flowers are so beautiful. And 2 will make weeds. Now weeds are also pretty to look at sometimes. Okay, the next line, under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. So under the leaves and under the snow. Now sometimes during the summer season, the leaves fall off the trees. Okay, and sometimes there is snow also. Now children, we are all living in Maharashtra. Some of us are living in Mumbai, some of us are living in Pune. Now here we do not see snow. Okay, but if you go to places like Kashmir, if you go to places like Manali, there you will be able to see a lot of snow. So under the leaves during the summer season and under the snow during the winter season, these 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. They are just waiting for the snow to go away so that they can grow. So what are they waiting for? They're waiting for the snow to go away and they are also waiting for the sun and the rain. Okay, seeds to grow, plants, what do they need? They need water and they need sunshine. So where do they get water from? They get water from the rain and they get sunshine from the sun. Okay, so now they're waiting to grow under the leaves and under the snow. And then what happens? Out comes the sun. So can you see? the sun comes shining brightly. And when the sun is shining brightly, all the snow which is there on top of the seeds, they melt and they go away. Okay? Down comes a shower. Now the shower is another word for rain. So when the sun comes out, along with the sun, what else comes? The shower or the rain starts falling. And that is what the seeds were waiting for. They were waiting for the rain to come so that they can start growing. And up came the 3 pretty pink flowers. Okay? Next, out comes the sun that every plant needs. And up come 2 funny old weeds. So some seeds they become flowers, but some seeds are not able to become flowers. So what do they become? They become funny old weeds. Okay, so this was the poem which I read a little fast for you. Now I told you now we are going to read two lines of the poem very carefully and very slowly, and I'm also going to try to explain the meaning of these lines to you. I will use beautiful pictures to explain the meaning. So can we start? Come on, let's go and let's try to understand the meaning of the poem in a better manner. So see the first 2 lines. What are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 seeds. Okay? 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. How many seeds are there? 5 seeds are there. And how are they? They are little. They are small. Okay? So you will read after me loudly. Now you're alone at home now. You're sitting in front of your computer or you're looking at your mobile. So come on, read that loudly so that you also know how to recite the poem. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. Okay? Then 3 will make flowers. So out of these 5 seeds, 3 seeds will make what? They will make flowers. So see, 3 seeds becoming plants which will give flowers. So 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. So out of the 5, 3 are becoming flowers and 2 are becoming weeds. See, these are weeds. Can you see? The grass and the other kind of small plants which grow along with the other big plants. So once again, let us see the 4 lines here. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers like this, beautiful, and 2 will make weeds. Okay, then let's see the next lines. Under the leaves, under the snow. So can you see here? There are leaves as well as snow. The brown color is the leaf and the whitish color is the snow. So under the leaves, under the snow. So under all this, under the leaves and the snow, if you nicely move the leaves and the snow away, what will you see? You will see 5 little seeds. So under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are, these 5 seeds are, what are they waiting for? They are waiting to grow. So see how these seeds grow. Look at this picture carefully. So the first one is when there is just the seed. And you can see the mud is also wet. That means it has got enough of water. Slowly the seed starts growing. Can you see? Now there are no leaves here. Then in the next picture you will see a small leaf. Then slowly the stem starts growing and growing, and finally the seed becomes a plant. Okay, so what was the seed doing? What were the 5 seeds doing? They were waiting to grow. So 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. They want to grow up and they want to become big plants which will give nice flowers. Okay? Then the next line, out comes the sun. See, the sun is coming out now very happily. Out comes the sun. Down comes a shower. Can you see it is raining? And see all the plants, all the flowers, the grass, they look so happy and green. So when there is sunshine, when there is rain, all the plants are very, very happy because that is what they want. Okay, so once again, let's see. Out comes the sun. I hope you're reading this along with me. All of you are supposed to read this along with me. Okay, out comes the sun. Down comes a shower. Then let's see what happens. And up came the 3 pretty pink flowers. So 3 of the seeds, they grew up and they became 3 pretty pink color flowers. So can you see these beautiful pink color flowers? And up came the 3 pretty pink flowers. So once there was sunshine, once there was a rain or a shower, the seeds grew up and they became beautiful flowers. But only the 3 seeds have become flowers. What about the other 2? Let us check. Then out comes the sun. Again the sun came out. Okay, the 2 seeds are remaining, na? So again the sun came out. Out comes the sun that every plant needs. So every plant, it loves the sunshine. All the plants, they want sunshine. And when there is sunshine, they dance like this happily. Can you see how the plant is dancing? So out comes the sun that every plant needs. Then there are 2 seeds which are remaining. So let's see what happens to them. And up come 2 funny old weeds. So there are 2 funny old weeds which come out after the flowers come out. Okay, it was also waiting for the sun. It was also waiting for the rain, but it did not become flowers. It became weeds. Okay, children. So that is the poem. Once again, let us look at the poem now, line by line. So all of you will read after me and you will read loudly. Okay, so come on, let's start. Yes, here we are. 5 little seeds, 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves, under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes a shower, and up came the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun once again that every plant needs. And up come 2 funny old weeds. So can you see how the weeds are very, very funny? See how they are all twisted, they're teda meda and they're looking so funny. So that was our poem. Now after doing this poem, children, let us do an exercise from your textbook. Let us try to read these words. So the first word, let me read it for you. I will also show you pictures of all these words. So it is L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Okay, so come on, all of you read again after me. L E A V E S. Leaves. Then we have, yes, what are these? Come on, try to guess what the word could be. Very good. It is flowers. F L O W E R S. Flowers. I'll show you the picture. You can try to guess the word. The next one. What are these? Come on, look at them. What are they? Yes, they are seeds. S-E-E-D-S. These are seeds of a pumpkin, I think. We call it kaddu, na? So, next time when your mummy brings kaddu home, she brings pumpkin home, check and see whether the seeds look like this. Alright? Next image. What is this? Yes, it is the shower. We also call it as the rain. So, we say rain more commonly. We do not say shower always. Alright. So, this is shower. Come on, read the spelling of shower. S-H-O-W-E-R. Shower. Next picture. What are these which grow in an unwanted place, or they grow as unwanted plants? What are they called? Yes, correct. They are called as weeds. W-E-E-D-S, or we can say W-E-E-D-S. Weeds. Okay. Next one. Next picture. Yes, what is this? Try and guess what it is. A plant. Paudha. We say na in Hindi. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Okay. Next one. Pretty. Pretty means something which is very beautiful. Pretty. So we saw the flowers, pink color flowers, 3 of them. They were very, very pretty. Pretty means when you look at them, you feel very nice. Pretty. Okay. And the last one, waiting. W-A-I-T-I-N-G. Waiting. So these are the 8 words that we learned in this poem. Once again, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. S-H-O-W-E-R, shower. W-E-E-D-S, weeds. P-L-A-N-T, plant. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting. So this was one of the exercises from your textbook. Let us look at the next one. So here we are trying to look at some parts of a plant. Now we learnt about seeds. Now the seeds, they grow up and they become plants. And on this plants, you will be able to find leaves, you will be able to find flowers, you will be able to find fruits, etc. So come on, let us try to see the various parts of the plant. So the first one is the bud. B-U-D, bud. So where is the bud here? Here it is. B-U-D, bud. Bud is called as kali in Hindi. Okay, so bud. The next part which we have to search for is the leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Leaf means what? Patta. So where are leaves there on this plant? Let us search. Here it is. L-E-A-F, leaf. The next one is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. So first we have the bud, and then the bud grows into the flower. So come on, let us search for flowers here. Here I found one. Flower. Flower. So come on children, count and tell me how many flowers you can see over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers I can see. Okay. And how many buds can you see? 1, 2 buds. Leaves, there are a lot of leaves. Isn't it? Come on. Now next one. Look at the next one. Fruit. 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 So there are lots of fruits here. Let us see which is a fruit here. Yes, this is a fruit. Fruit means phal. Fruit. Fruit. The next part of our plant is the stem. 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 So where is the stem in this plant? Here it is. Stem. 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 And then you have the root. 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 Now children, all the other parts of the plant, you will find it above the ground. But only the root, you will find it inside the mud. Okay, so here we have the root. Can you see the root? Inside the mud, under the ground. You will not be able to see the root, okay? If you pull the plant out, only then you will be able to see the root. And the last part of the plant that we are going to look at today is seeds. 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 Now the seeds you will find inside the fruit. See here, inside of the fruit you will find the seeds. So which plant is this? What do you think when you look at the fruit? Which is this plant? Very good. It is the tomato plant. Alright. So when you cut open a tomato, you see lots of tiny seeds inside. The seeds you can also see inside the lady's finger or the bhindi, inside the brinjal, or you also call it as the wangi or the bengan. Okay, so you will find all these parts of the plant, the bud, the leaf, the flower, the fruit, the stem, root, seeds, etc. in all the plants, most of the plants. Okay, you will learn more about the parts of the plant when you study EVS or when you study science in the higher classes. Alright, so hope it was very interesting for you to understand about the parts of a plant. Let us move on and let us go to the last exercise that we have for today. But this is also a very interesting exercise. Now see, look at this. The words seed, weed, need, they have 2 letters. That is, E is written twice in the middle, 2 times in the middle. So from this particular image, you are supposed to find out more meaningful words that have 2 E's in the middle. So come on, let us see 2 examples they have already given us. The first one is seed. 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 Then you have feel. 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 That means the double E in the middle is going to remain the same. You have to change the first letter and the last letter. So come on, let us start with this letter J. So you take J and you add double E and then you end it with P. So what is the word that you get? J double E P. That is, you get the word Jeep. Easy, na? Come on, let us see one more example like this. So you have, let us take the next one, K. So to the K, let us add the double E. So you have K double E. Again you take P. So you have K double E P. keep. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it a very interesting exercise? So come on, now you pause the video and try to find out all the other words. Okay, pause the video and do not try to cheat. Okay, and then do not try to see what I am showing you and then write the words. So first you write the words and then you can check what I am trying to show you. So come on, let's see which are the other words you can have. So word number 5 is W and D. Weed. Then you have P E L. Peel. Peel means you know what it is? The chilka of something, the cover of a fruit. You have the orange with a peel. You have the banana with a peel. So what do? You remove the peel and then you eat the banana. Or you peel the orange. That is, you remove the skin of the orange and you eat the orange. Let us see what the 7th word could be. So the 7th word is feed. F-E-E-D. That means to give someone food. It's called as feeding. Then you have W-E-E-P. Weep. Weep means to cry. Okay, when you get hurt, when you feel bad, when your mama or your teacher scolds you, what you do? You weep. Then you have seen. Seen means to be seen, to look at someone. S-E-E-N. Seen. And then at number 10, we have keen. K-E-E-N. Means if you're very, very interested in something, we say keen. Alright. And then you have peak. P-E-E-K. Peak. That is to look at someone like this. And finally, the 12th word that you have is seep. What is the word? Seep. Means to slowly, when water goes slowly inside the earth, we say it is seep. So see, I have picked up 12 words to give you. There are many words which you can find from here. For example, you can write F-E-E-T. Feet. Okay, so try. See whether you are able to find more words. So that will be your assignment for this. So what have we learned today, children? We learned the beautiful poem 5 Little Seeds. We saw many beautiful pictures also of the poem, and I read the poem line by line and explained the meaning to you. And after that, we did some exercises which are there in the poem for us. So children, that is all for today. So children, now you have watched the video. So after you watch the video now, you will have to complete a few simple tasks. Now you might have watched the video on your computers or your laptops or your mobile phones. Now after you watch the video, what will you do? You will please go to the description box which is given below the video. So what is the description box? See, the description box looks like this. Alright, and after you go to the description box, you will see that there are a few questions there. Now what are these questions about? These questions are about the lesson that we just learned or the video that you just watched. So what will you do? You will think back properly about the lesson and you will try and answer these questions. And note down the answers in your notebook if you want. Okay? After that, we have another task waiting. You will also click on the link which you will find in the description box to fill up the Google form. So now what is the Google form, children? It is nothing but a simple form. There are a few simple questions there about the video which you just saw and also about yourself. So these are the tasks now that you will have to complete after you watch each video.
So children, wasn't that a very interesting lesson? I'm sure you learned a lot of new things in this lesson. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my video so that you will get to see all the videos which I keep posting regularly.